The K9 Micro TraumaPAK includes a glow stick, Sharpie, and trauma shears on the outside. Inside you'll find a pair of medical gloves, an instructional safeguard good for humans and your canine, and now 3 options to choose from: a SWAT bandage, a battle wrap bandage, and an elastic wrap bandage, all as options to choose from. Additionally, you'll still have your quick clot rolled gauze and a upgraded, much larger with better adhesion SAM chest seal, which is ideal for canines. These are all some of the options and what you will find in the K9 Micro TraumaPAK.